In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working from home or planning a team collaboration, scheduling a meeting in Teams is quite straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. There are two primary ways to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams, and we'll start with the first method, which involves using the calendar. Begin by opening Microsoft Teams and navigating to the left-hand pane, where you'll find the Calendar tab. Here, you have the option to either click on the New Meeting button or simply select your desired date directly from the calendar view. Clicking on New Meeting will open up a new event form. This is where you can fill out the necessary details for your meeting, such as the title, date, and time. If you click on a specific date, it streamlines the process by automatically setting the meeting date for you. The second method to schedule a meeting in Teams is just as simple. Instead of heading straight to the calendar, look for the Meet icon, which is also located on the left side panel of Teams. Click it and you'll be presented with three options: create a meeting, schedule a meeting, or join with a meeting ID. For our purpose today, you will want to select schedule a meeting. Similar to the calendar method, this selection will prompt you to fill in all the pertinent details about the meeting you intend to schedule. Once you've chosen your preferred method and are in the meeting creation form, it's time to customize your meeting details. Here you can give your meeting a clear and descriptive title. This is important as it informs your attendees about the nature of the meeting at a glance. Following this, add the names or email addresses of the participants you want to invite. Teams will auto-suggest contacts if you've interacted with them before, which makes this process quicker. Next, set the meeting date and time to align with everyone's schedule, and remember that you can set it to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly if necessary. After you've filled in all the necessary information, it's always a good practice to review the details to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, you can finish by clicking the Save button. At this point, your meeting is scheduled, but it's important to also take a moment to bring this event to your attendees' attention. You can do this by checking your meeting schedule in your calendar and using the option to copy the meeting link. This link can be shared directly with attendees via email or messaging platforms, ensuring they're aware and able to join the meeting promptly when the time comes. By following these simple steps, you can easily schedule meetings in Microsoft Teams, enhancing your collaboration and productivity. Remember to check back for more tutorials and tips to help streamline your virtual work experience. Thank you for watching and happy meeting planning.